there's the end of the road.
What, already? Oh my god, let's stay here forever.
That is a view. We've got a visitor in the air.
Oh, is that thing?
Yeah, that's that.
Oh, no way.
Helicopter casually saying hello.
So cool to see a helicopter that close though.
What a welcome. Oh my god. This is why it's worth driving to the end. Bob in.
Oh my god. Oh, I just want to go on that side and see it all the way down there.
It's ridiculous, isn't it? It's ridiculous, isn't it? Where we are, it's just ridiculous. It's crazy. Oh, God.
Where's his head?
There he is. Bolsk. I don't know what to say really, folks. I'm beaten by this. What?
So much fun. You go over there.
I think this may be the most amazing sunset I've ever seen in my life. I've tried to capture it for you, best as I can, but it's hard. There's a scale with me. It's like unmotivated, no filming, and then there's the middle bit, which is like this. Doesn't take a lot to get me going, and I'm full of inspiration. I just want to make cool videos. And then at the top end, there's this, where it's just so incredible that I don't know what to do. I just freeze and have a meltdown, and the idea of filming just goes away. And all I can do is stand here with my mouth on the floor. Which is great for me, but bad for you. So sorry about that. I've been sat up here for like over an hour, just looking. This place, in fact this whole country, is just mind-blowing. So we've just been for a little 5-minute wander and found a park up that's even better. Yeah, I know. Just wait. I mean, the don't settle thing doesn't really apply when the view's this spectacular everywhere. But, you know, there is always a better spot, no matter where you are. See? Oh, that's just insane. I can't believe we've been sat in the other one all day. That's why you gotta look around. What do you reckon, Bob? Better? Oh, God. Yeah. I can't believe we've been sat over there all day.
No.
God's sake.
Yes.
Literally like 300 metres that way.
So, shall we do it? Bolsky, you stay away. No! Bolsky! Why do you have to hold me like just a snow angel? Bolsky! No! I'm making a snow angel! Away!
Bob, come here.
Away!
Come here.
I'm on the floor! Get off! Right, no treat for
It's
you.
humping.
No treat. Go away. Go.
Come here.
God, I just want to do a simple task. Oh, my hips are flipped. Am I making them up?
Yeah.
Right, you've ruined my snow angel, Bolsky. Look at all these paw prints. Careful! Of your pupils! Right, that's enough.
Okay, folks. So I've just been sitting in the cab for probably the last hour, just watching the sunset, and you can probably see why. It's just unbelievable. 360 awesomeness. This spot alone was worth the entire drive down that road. I don't know what to do. I'm just crippled by it. It's unreal. I just can't stop looking. I never want to leave this exact spot. I just want to stay here forever. And now we've got mist coming as oh my god. It's just